first thing that we need now is a protected swing. Protected swing how? We're looking for the market to go to the upside, sweep the high of the range. After sweeping the high of the range, come and change the state of delivery, give us a retracement, and we look for those selling opportunities to the downside. Yo, what up, guys? So the first clip that you saw right about there, it was from the previous video that I posted where I gave the anticipation of what I basically expect from NASDAQ to do, and it did as anticipated. As I mentioned from the first clip, that I'm expecting the sweep of the high of this range, changing the state of delivery, retracement, and then a continuation to go to the downside. The reason why I'm recording this right about here, because I just hit take profit one right about there, and I put my stop loss above this new protected swing point, right? So meaning I'll be having 1.38 profit, but then I'm targeting 4.72 profit. So yeah, I'm in this position, right? So yeah, this was an update on how NASDAQ is building up, right? This is an update of how MAS 100 is building up, as I showed you from that clip, right? So for now, let's give an update of gold. If you didn't see the video, I did an analysis on gold last week. I did an analysis on gold, so if you didn't see the video, please go check it out. So here is an analysis on gold, right? So I have anticipated price to manipulate this previous daily low right about here. As you can see, we basically manipulate this previous daily low and went up to create what we call the change in the state of delivery right about here. At the daily open, at the opening price, we created the change in the state of delivery right about there. But the problem is we didn't get any entry, right? We just moved on from here. So basically what I expect after the change in the state of delivery, I expect price to push up and then give me a little bit of a retest before continuing to push to the upside. I'm so sorry about the background noise. Apologize for the background noise, but yeah, we need a push and at least a retest for me to basically enter this position. But then we just continue to the upside, right? So that's when I'll expect at least a retracement, right? So I'll look for a retracement at 75% of this position. So I'll wait for the market to come back down to 75% and give me those bullish movement to the upside to take out this high right about here. So yeah, this is what I'm anticipating. I'm looking for bullish price on gold. I'm looking for bullish movement for price to push to the upside. Yeah, so let me look at also EURUSD. So for EURUSD, basically what I anticipated was the same thing. For price to reverse to the downside, I was looking for price to come and take out these highs, because these are consecutive daily highs that are aligning to each other, right? Consecutive daily highs. So I was expecting price to at least take out these highs, plus the market was in a consolidation phase right about here, right? So I was expecting the market to take out the high first before basically reversing. But what it did, it took out the low, came back for a retest, created a protected swing right about here. And then started pushing to the downside. I didn't pay attention to this, right? But personally, I would have entered this position once it created a protected swing right about here. I would have entered right about here, but I wasn't paying attention since price failed to take out this highs and took out the low first, right? So once price does this, in most of the time, I anticipate price to basically continue to the upside, right? obviously with confirmation. I most of the time once price does this, especially during the opening times, this is 2 3 3 a.m. right? This is around 3 a.m. That is why I'm anticipating price to move to the upside. Yeah, so currently the liquidity that we have is this lows right about here. We have this lows right about here. This is our current liquidity, and yeah, we're looking for the market to come, take this out, and yeah, might look for those selling opportunities to the downside to manipulate one of these liquidity areas right about here before maybe potentially going to the upside or continue further to the downside or further to the downside. See, sorry about the pop-up. So yeah, continuing further to the downside. So yeah, I'll see you guys on another video on the update of the market, because I can't give the breakdown of everything right about here. It's gonna take time, and yeah, or let me give a breakdown of USD JPY. So USD JPY, I closed at break even, right? So as you can see from here to there to here, what my 1:2 was right about here. That was my 1:2. We got 1:2, put stop loss at entry point, then close at break even. So we were kind of skeptical on entering the continuation right about here. I'm kind of skeptical of opening the continuation, but yeah, I'll just stay with what I have right about here. No loss, just break even. So yeah,